In this video, we are going to look at how we can calculate the volume by displacement method. So before we look at how we can find the volume by displacement method, we need to understand that there are two types of objects. Okay, namely regular objects. So regular objects have got the regular shape with the regular sides. Okay, and the irregular objects. So irregular objects have got the irregular shape. So we cannot use a ruler to measure the volume of this object. As we can see, it has irregular shape. So since we are looking at how we can find the volume by displacement, our main focus will be on the irregular object. Okay, so how can we find the volume of irregular object? So the method is the method is a displacement method. So we have example here, and it is saying find the volume of the stone. It is carrying 1 mark. Find the volume of the stone, 1 mark. Okay, so when we are using the displacement method, we use liquid. So we can see the volume of the liquid. The volume of the liquid is 13.35 cubic centimeters. And after immersing the stone into the volume, we can see that the volume of water, or the volume of the liquid, has risen from 13.35 to 30 cubic centimeters, as we can see. So the first thing that we need to do is to come up with the formula. So this is the formula we'll be using to find the volume of the irregular object. So volume is equal to volume 2 minus volume 1. Do we have volume 2? Yes, we have volume 2, which is the 30. So our volume 2 is 30. Our volume 1 is 13.35. So we are going to say our volume is equal to 30 minus 13.35 as our volume 1. Then our final answer will be volume is equal to 16.65 cubic centimeters. So this is how we can find the volume of the irregular object. Okay, so we are going to pick one of the questions from the past paper. This is the 2020 paper 1, science paper 1, 2020. And the question is question A3. Question A3, the question reads, the following diagrams show steps that a learner carried out in order to determine the volume of a wooden cork. We have step number 1, we have step number 2, we have step number 3. The question continues, which one is the volume of the wooden cork? A, we have 30 cubic centimeters. B, 40 cubic centimeters. C, 50 cubic centimeters. D, 100 cubic centimeters. Okay, so to find this answer, we are going to apply the same formula, which is saying volume is equal to volume 2 minus volume 1. So this is the formula we are going to apply on this question. Okay, what are we going to do next? So the next thing that we are going to do is to identify the volume of the glass bulb, okay, or the volume of the glass bulbs. So we have seen that the initial volume of the liquid here is 50 cubic centimeters. After immersing the glass bulb into the liquid, we can see that the liquid has risen from 50 cubic centimeters to 60 cubic centimeters. So therefore we can easily say the volume of the bulb, the volume of the glass, or the volume of each glass bulb is 10. Why are we saying 10? Because we have seen that after immersing this uh, bulb, the volume of the liquid has risen from 50 to 60 cubic centimeters. So we are just going to say 60 minus 50 cubic centimeters. The volume of the glass bulb is equal to 10 cubic centimeters. 10 cubic centimeters. Okay. And so we are going to say the first thing that we need to do is to identify the volume of the liquid and the volume of the glass bulbs. Okay, so we are from saying the volume of the liquid is 50 cubic centimeters. Then the volume of the bulb is 10. And here we can see that we have two identical bulbs. So which means the volume of these two glass bulbs is 20 cubic centimeters. Then the final volume, we can see that the final volume which is here, it is showing 100. The final volume is showing 100. So we are going to combine these two volumes. We are going to combine these two volumes. And then these two volumes will give us volume 1. Then 100, this one is our volume 2. Okay, so this one is our volume 2. So what are we going to do next? We are going to say 50 plus 20. We are going to get 700. Okay, we are going to get, sorry, we are going to get 70. Okay, we are going to get 70. So therefore, to find the volume, we are going to say where there is volume 2, we are going to write 100 cubic centimeters. Then where there is volume 1, we are going to write 70 cubic centimeters. Then we are going to say 100 minus 70 cubic centimeters, we are going to get 30 cubic centimeters. So 30 cubic centimeters is our answer on this question. Okay, so therefore our correct answer is A. A is the one that is showing 30 cubic centimeters. So this brings us to the end of this video. So if you find this video very helpful, you can share this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can follow my Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching this video.